go look for her. Okay.
Why are you running that up?
Hey, look. It's the mall. Yeah, maybe she's in there.
Guys, I don't think she is.
Let's go. Oh, no. It's getting lower.
That's my line.
Did you hear something? Yeah, must be those sales.
Oh, they're not gonna do anything. I'll find her by myself. Super mushroom away! Up! I'll save you. Look, I see something. There she is. Oh no! What are you doing here?
Oh, Mushroom! You came to save me!
You're no super mushroom. You're like a super klutz. Ha 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 ha.
Wow, I can't believe those sales. They were great. Yeah, I know. Hey, what's that up there? I don't know. Let's pull out our nifty telescope. Hey, it looks like bread's up there. Let's go. Whoopee! Come on, hurry up. I'm faster than you. Hey, I think I see something. Are you sure? Hey, it's Dr. Evil Butterdude. Hey, it's Mrs. Bread, too. Whoopee, we found her.
Not so fast, my pretties. Haha, she's going to roast by the sun. And I'll eat her. Ha ha ha. And you can't do anything about it. Oh yeah? Well, we know judo. So, hiya! There, go.
Be free, Bread.
Okay. Ah! Ow!
Stop!
Haha, evil bread guy. You are defeated. Ha 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 ha. Now you will melt in the sun. Ha 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 ha. The thing's kind of odd, Mary.
No, that's not. Wow, thanks, guys. Hey, anytime. You want to go to the mall? Yeah, I saw the shirt there. Okay, let's go.
Cool. What, guys? What about me? Hello? Where are you? Excuse me.
Guys, hello, guys. Dun 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 dun
da 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 da.